This is a video of my commute home during one of the worst storms I've seen in New Jersey. This is the back of the building I work at, and got quite flooded. As you see ahead, there's quite a big puddle here. It's got to be at least a foot deep. This is kind of the first time I figured out that I was in trouble on my way home, because this part never really has traffic, and I make this turn and it's just all these cars are all backed up. They're pretty much backed up all the way to 1 and 9 Tonelli Avenue. It's kind of unfortunate because all these cars are really just trying to merge into the center lane. It's like right lane is right turn only, left lane is left turn only, and most cars are trying to go straight. This is now, I believe, Old Country Road, and there's this underpass coming up that is just at least 2 feet, maybe a foot and a half, I would say, of water. I mean, you'll see there's a BMW or a Mercedes there stuck. But the funny thing is that this guy already made it past the deepest part of the water, and then that's where he got stuck. You can see him there on the left, like outside of his car doing something. But then meanwhile, this like little Chevy over here is just taking it as a trooper, just driving right on through. Yeah, I mean, it's a lake. That's crazy. And then I figured that was the worst of it. I pretty much had been in traffic that entire time, bumper to bumper, so I figured after that it must be clear, and I didn't really see any cars for a while. I think at some point here I finally figured out to put my windshield wipers on high speed. There it goes. You can see how hard it's coming down. Okay, then I ran into more lakes, essentially. This is I believe this is the underpass of the Pulaski, or near by the underpass for the Pulaski. I think what this particular underpass is something different. I don't know. I don't know if you saw, whoever was crossing the street there really ran into that puddle kind of fast.
Yeah, because when we say reabsorb, we said that a lot. I don't think people understand. That means basically it turns that off again.
I maybe should have cut out all this red light footage, but yeah.
Exactly. It sits on the couch and this little neuron waits to be released. Let me know when you have sex. Or eat something. Or eat some pizza. Yeah. So with crack or other drugs that target the...
So at this point it's not, it's really the middle of the intersection that's the worst. I mean, you can see some of these cars are hesitant. I think this guy wants to go into the next lane because it's not as deep, but it is just as deep there. I mean, it's above the sidewalk. And at this point, I've been in traffic so long, I really don't care. I just kind of go through it a little faster than maybe I should have. That was terribly exciting. think this is the last major lake.
90% of street
This is next to the Home Depot on 440 South.
You know, I always feel like they probably just call it crack or rock. Right. Or they call it
These
pop.
guys are all trying to figure out what they're. I guess they all want to go into the left lane now because it's deeper in the right.
Wasn't that the drug and strangers with candy?
Honestly, what's
Roxanne.
further to the right is probably the worst.
Hot cakes.
I mean, you can't see the sidewalk over there, essentially.
Sugar.
It's pretty deep.
Jelly beans, I guess that kind of makes sense. Jelly beans and french fries make sense. Yeah, because, I mean, doesn't it look kind of like little pieces of french fries?
Yeah, I mean, wow.
Yeah. It's more, it makes more sense than
I
Bassa.
mean, you can see like the wave that guy in front of me is making in the red SUV up
There's
there.
no way that anyone in the history of humanity
And then
has
that's
ever
really about it. The rest of the drive home was pretty smooth.
electric Kool-Aid. Yeah.
So
You got the wrong one, but yeah, that would be acid.